Give me some of my friends. Upper.
Cheers, wait.
Now the fox is this side. Don't see the fox.
Turkish people are following you.
Okay, guys, it's time. It's time to say goodbye to our friends from Belograd Czech. Today is the last day with you.